Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make faceless YouTube videos with InVideo AI. So lately, faceless AI videos have been everywhere on YouTube. Every few days, there is a new tutorial showing how to launch a YouTube automation channel with the help of AI tools. But there's one thing many people are still unsure about. Can you actually get monetized with these AI generated videos, especially when many of them uses the same generic voiceover style? So the answer is yes. YouTube does allow monetization of faceless videos. It is even in their official policy. And if you want to create a faceless YouTube channel, then there's this tool which can help you to do the same. So the tool here I'm using is InVideo AI and it's surprisingly beginner friendly. After signing in, this is the dashboard where you will land on. And the first thing you will see is your workspace. Now, if you want to add the personalized touch in your video, and if you do not want robotic voice in your video, you can add your own voice. For this, click on this menu in the top left corner, and then from the drop down, choose Voices, and now click on Add Voice. Now, here you can add your own voice, and then this AI tool is going to clone your voice, and it will be using your voice in your videos. But remember, this feature is available only for the paid plan, which starts at around $25 per month. So, if you're planning to create content regularly, it is actually a smart investment. Another important thing that at the beginning of the recording, clearly state your name and give permission to use your voice for cloning. Without that part, they would not accept your voice file. Now, once you've done that, this is the box where you have to add the prompt. If you already have an idea, that's great. But if you do not have an idea on which topic you would like to create video, for this go to ChatGPT and here you can search for different niche topics. Now, once you have an idea what you will be creating your video on, go to InVideo AI and a window will pop up asking you to enter your video prompt. Now, this is where you tell the AI exactly what you want the video to be about. The more specific you are, the better the result. Let's say you want to make an explainer video about something, so you could write something like create a dramatic story style video explaining then add your topic. And then you can also add start with a bold, attention grabbing line. And then you can also mention what sort of background music you're looking for. And then what sort of tone you're looking for, whether it's mysterious or anything. And if you're looking for a particular accent, you can also mention that. After this, click on generate. And next, it will ask you to pick few more preferences like audience, video style, and platform. So choose these options and then hit generate. And that's it. Now AI starts working on your video. Now this is going to take a couple of minutes. And once the draft is ready, you will see a full video completely with your script, voiceover music, visuals, and subtitles. Now you can play it to see how it flows. And if something feels off, no problem. Scroll down to this magic box and here you can type in any adjustment you want. For example, here I want this to make this opening of the story more interesting. So I'm going to add this and then click on generate. Now this tool will generate the video with your changes and it is also going to take a minute or two. If you do not like the new changes, then click on this undo button to go back to the previous version. Now if you feel like if any of the clip is not going well with your audio, you can click on edit. Now here you can edit media and script as well. In order to edit media, scroll down and here you can see we have this option of stock. Click on it and below you can see here we have number of videos to replace the content with. So click on replace and that particular video will be replaced with this new one. And if you want to edit script, then click on edit script and here you can make any adjustment. Now once everything looks good, preview the final version and if you're happy with it, just click on download. And if you're using the paid plan, any watermarks issues with the footage will be removed automatically. Now simply download the video and upload it to your YouTube channel, add a catchy title and a thumbnail, and be consistent with the uploads, and you're good to go. Click the link in the description and try InVideo AI for free.